Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. Man, my face looks fat in this camera. Anyway, welcome to the third day. I'm still a little bit tired, but I woke up like 2 hours ago, so I already had my breakfast. Sorry that I didn't record it. My phone needed charging, and I was uploading the videos from yesterday. We have a pretty nice agenda for today, though. We're gonna go to the Lewis and Clark trails. I think we're having pizza tonight for dinner. I'm not sure what we're doing for after that, though. We'll see what else happens. I mean, we are going to I can't even pronounce it, Cones and Candy. So, that should be interesting. So, yeah. I gotta get back to my uploading. I still have 2 more parts. I was gonna do one whole part on yesterday's video, but there was like too much. It was too much for my uploading app Splice to handle. It said not enough storage, so yesterday's day will be split into 4 different videos, 4 parts. That's alright, it'll work. Anyways, I gotta get back to uploading, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, wait. Before you go, I gotta describe what my breakfast was like. So, for breakfast, I had a coffee. My first coffee at Cannon Beach. I had a burrito with bacon bits, sausage, egg, cheese, and a little bit of salsa. It was good. We did have a cranberry turnover, but I didn't eat it. I got full after the burrito. Anyway, that's all now. Alright guys, I was on the beach for a few minutes, and it's just as windy as ever. But I managed to cross a creek without my shoes getting wet, because I climbed on rocks. But anyway, in a few minutes, me and my family are gonna head down to the Lewis and Clark Trail and the Ecola State Park. So that should be fun. I'll try to vlog as most as I can there. We're almost ready to go, but we're still getting things ready, so I'll be back. I'll be back when we're on our way. We have found Ecola State Park. Somewhere around here is the Lewis and Clark Trail. There's a car behind us. Wow, this is beautiful. It's amazing.
I have the candy shop. I got this.
If this is a state park,
CJ.
then I don't know if Oregon, which is a state, charges to be in state parks or not.
Is this dangerous for the van? I don't want to just topple down into the forest floor.
No, you don't want to. I could
Dad, don't even joke.
dip in the road.
I'm scared. Oh no.
Glad I'm not in a bus.
It says
Can you?
dip.
Uh,
What kind of dip?
salsa dip?
Salsa.
Dad, please be careful here, please.
Ranch dip?
Can we see we can see the ocean from here.
Ocean man.
Take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Is Grizz here?
Could be. It says forest.
Hi, Grizz.
I didn't know that he was
Chris.
from
Oregon.
Oregon.
He told me he was from the shores of Washington.
Could you stop saying poop, CJ?
Uh-oh. There's a car.
Oh no.
Wow, that tree must have fallen in recently.
Potholes.
Look at the ocean.
Park's not paved.
Ocean man.
I don't want to fall.
Oh, are we on this side of the Haystack Rock now?
Yeah, we're past it, I think.
Yeah, it's right down there.
Ocean man.
Road is a real trip. I guess.
It says $5.
You have $5.
Pay at machine.
I even have $5.
What machine?
I could pay for this trip.
$5 per vehicle. Days permit required.
Okay.
Gracious, you stopped.
Oh boy.
I have a $5
How do
bill.
they know if you don't pay?
Ooh.
There's rangers that.
Police. That guy didn't pay.
Maybe he worked here.
Boy, you need to pay.
Boy.
Oh, this is cool. The trail between
Oh,
Ecola
it just
Point.
takes a card. It doesn't even take cash, I don't think.
Figures. Isn't this beautiful? So we can see where we're at right now.
No, it said Visa and MasterCard accepted.
Why is all the trucks just passing?
No.
Do they not want to pay?
Well, we don't know if the trailhead's at Ecola Viewpoint or. Let's see here.
Hmm.
Probably is.
Put your card in there.
Oh, the sun. There we go.
Granted, it's not hacked.
Alright, so we are here.
Take your ticket below. Okay.
Oh,
we
this
did
is
our due
exciting.
diligence. You want a map?
Yeah. So I could actually see where the Lewis and Clark
Oh, it's
trailhead's
two.
at. Give it to me.
I have one
Yeah, we
that's
need to go
two.
to Ecola Viewpoint or Indian Beach.
I will go to the Ecola Viewpoint.
Maybe first. Indian Beach and the. Ay, 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 ay.
The window's
No.
still open.
That's very.
Oh, you know he does that? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the map.
He's trying to be racist. He's trying to.
Okay, let's see.
Look at that. That's pretty.
Park Host. Okay, so we passed the Park Host.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, we're near Submarine Rock.
I think I've been here before. Oh, it's all becoming very clear now.
You've been here before? Well,
Well,
Where are
I'm
we?
gonna put one of these
So
back
we're
when you
past
see
here. I
this
think
one,
we're-
too.
at the Ecola State Park Road.
I have been here
It
before.
says all day permit. This
Been
is your
here
receipt.
before.
Wow.
At posted times, this charge is.
Is this the
parking.
place?
This looks like it. I don't know. Wait, it
Just
looks like
signed
the
up
trail's right
on
there.
Dash.
I see a trail mark.
Oh, well,
I think that might be. Oh, sweet. We finally made it.
It's beautiful.
I want to get out.
Pictures.
Pretty sure there's no tide pools here, but
That's okay. It's still beautiful. Oh, the winds. Yes. There's a trail and we're going down it. I don't know if I can record in this wind. Beautiful, isn't it? You are here. All the way down here.
Yeah. Why do people not bring in their coat?
I have my coat.
Wait, what's that?
This is beautiful.
what does that sign say?
I'll go look. This is just a recreation trail. Oh.
What?
That's not good.
What?
There's cougars out here.
What are cougars?
They're very dangerous animals. Gotta tell Dad. Mom, there's cougars in these forests. There's a sign warning cougars, and that's just a recreation trail. Dad,
What?
that's just a recreation trail, but it has cougars in it. Zachary coming or not? Yes, he I'm gonna go down here. Nice. Sorry for covering the camera. That's cold. The winds are so strong. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna zip it. It might get cold. Are you sure you don't want your coat?
I forgot to bring it.
Heck out here. Okay. Wow. Is that Haystack Rock down there? I can see our cabin from here. Oh, it's so windy, I bet nobody can hear me right now. Yes. And you know I'm uploading this to YouTube. Oh, it's gorgeous out here. Well, we're near the ocean. What do you suspect?
The rest of the family.
There's a sign down there. I'm gonna take a look. Ah! I'm going to see that sign down there. I'm doing Native American calls. Ah, poop. Gosh, Mickey. What are we gonna? Okay. Wow. Nothing but vast ocean. So what's this? Welcome to our home. Okay. There are many kinds of animals here. Please visit us. Okay. We can withstand. Walk carefully. Handle us gently. Take only pictures. Ooh. Guess. It's gorgeous. Here comes Mom and Dad. And the whole family. I'm just gonna continue. This is beautiful. Like, look at that. The wide ocean. Whoa. And there's a little mini trail. I'm gonna go down it. There's our plants. I'm going down. Oh, it's blocked off. Never mind. Whoa, look guys. There's a lighthouse down there. It's incredible. Whoa. Champion Point. This is a restricted natural area, so it can only go up to here. This is amazing. What?
You want to go down to the beach?
No, I'm trying to find the trail.
This trail doesn't go to the beach. What'd you do with that map?
It's left in the car.
That would be the key to finding the trail.
We could go down that cougar infested trail.
Yeah, we probably could.
We just have to be careful because of the cougars, of course. What does that sign say? Well, we could, wait, so you're saying there's a beach down here? It's not just rock infested? Oh, you mean that trail over there?
Who wants to do a selfie? No,
Do it without.
You too, dude. Ow! Let me get over here.
No, come over here, CJ.
Jackson, you're gonna have to go behind
Behind who?
Wood sideways. If your arms aren't long enough,
We can probably snag it.
zoom.
Yeah, can you? Thank you. It's like really hard to get.
Go black.
Oh, here.
How do you flip back to that? Here we go.
Thank you.
And I got a fake.
Big phone that fits to show everybody. Look at that. It's like a flip phone. All right.
Dad, did you say the trail to the beach is down that way?
No, there's a sign on this big thingamabob. It says, "Trail to the beach is from the main the other trail."
You mean the cougar infested one?
Still know what's wrong here.
Okay, yes, we need to talk about what we want to eat.
What about the
Do we want Mexican, Chinese, burgers?
Dad, what about the trail to the beach? I don't want to talk about lunch right now.
Well, you don't have to be a part of this conversation.
We're outside in nature. Let's forget about food and deal with nature and science for a little bit. And history.
Now my daughter is pretty much obsessed right now, so why don't you
Right here.
just
You want soup?
stop with the lunch
Like I said, I don't care.
ideas and go with your obsession about history? Gosh darn it. We're just hungry, Jackson.
I don't care.
That's just rules and regulations.
I want to go down the cougar infested trail. I'm not scared of no cougar.
What are you doing?
It's marijuana, okay? Let's go. I wonder if there was a big battle against Native American tribes here. Tribe against tribe. Foe against foe. Chief against chief. What's this little trail here?
It's not marked, so it doesn't let you take us anywhere. I wish you would have brought the map.
It's in the car.
The only other thing is
Now we're going down the cougar infested path. Charge! Native American power. Charge!
Jackson. We need to wait for Mom and Dad.
I don't give a damn. Oh, sorry. I don't give a damn creek. A beaver dam. I don't give a beaver dam. Yeah, sorry, God. Oh. We can't go down this way. It says the trail's closed. Let's just back up. Mom! We can't go down this way. The trail's closed. Oh well. I guess our lives won't be in danger. How about we just go down to the beach? Dad! What are you doing? We gotta go to the beach. I'm going to the beach.
Lewis and Clark place is on Indian Beach, which is the other road that we didn't go on.
Well, then let's go over there.
Ay, ay, ay.
Let's go over there. We're taking a detour now to the Indian Beach. Apparently that's where the Lewis and Clark place is. Alright everybody, we're taking a detour. Let's go. Zachary! Whatever. We'll meet you guys at the Indian Beach. Not Ecola Beach. Alright guys, we are now entering the Indian Beach. And the best part is there's actually waves crashing into our area.
Well, since the arrow over there was pointing the other way,
Hey, look, there's more rocks.
and there's
Cool, cool.
information about Lewis and Clark and.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, a Lou. Look, it's a John.
Oh, I'm so.
Is that John from the Lewis and Clark era?
You need to go to the bathroom.
There it is.
But
Oh,
it
that's
says
the beach access.
Is that way.
Then where's the Lewis and Clark trail? I guess we'll find that out soon enough.
We will be able to figure out. What
Or we could go that way towards the real beach. Wow. Look at that, people. Dad, we're not handicapped. Do not park in that spot.
This isn't a handicap spot.
Okay, good. CJ, once Dad parks, let's get out so we can breathe the fresh air. Now! We have arrived. Oh, sweet baby Pearl. Oh, God. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Gotta try not to drop my phone. Let's go to the stairs. The beach. Da, 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 da. Oh. It just leads to like a barbecue pit. Let's go to the real area. Safeguard your valuables. It's okay. I'll just wait here. Okay. Beware of unstable cliffs. Watch for sneaker waves. Do not feed wildlife. Near driftwood. Okay. I like what I see. This must be their trail. Well, it's all downhill from here. Guys! Where'd they go? Dad! Dad! I'm leaving you, slowpokes. Who knows? Maybe this is the trail. Wait a minute. I've changed my mind. Not this way. I saw people walking down there. There's a trail.
This says beach access.
No, there's a trail this way. Look, look. There's a trail sign. There's a trail sign right over there. This might be the actual Lewis and Clark trail. At least I know where the Lou is. Come on, CJ! Stop slowing around! Come on! Yes, we are! But this is the trail! This is the Lewis and Clark Trail! We can walk to the lighthouse. Sweet. Look at this. Yeah, this way. The lighthouse. What? What are you doing?
Need to wait for Zach.
This is the Lewis and Clark Trail. I don't care about Zachary. This is history. I'm just kidding. I care about Zachary, but, you know. Come on, guys. Hurry up.
I want to go to the beach.
This leads to the lighthouse. Come on. Come on. Hustle. Either you guys go fast and I'm leaving you behind. This goes to the lighthouse. This is the best part that ever happened to me.
Why? This is a bad day in my life.
CJ, it's not that. Do you want to see a lighthouse?
Yeah?
Then this is the way that we go.
But you're leaving Zachary and Mom and
They're right over there. It'll be fine. Besides. Okay. There's a fork in the road. Do we go this way or this way?
I don't know.
Well, this way there's not really much we can go. It's just a long drop right to the beach. Don't.
I'm not gonna fall.
No, stay behind.
I'm not.
Please stop.
Oh, yeah.
See, I don't want to die. We're going this way.
This way?
Come on already. Come on. Hustle. This is not a walk in the park, boys.
Another split.
Where do we go? Well, this one's just a fence. Wow. That's gorgeous. The
This is
cliffs.
broken.
Well, then don't touch it.
Let's go this way.
I'm waiting for slow pokes. The slow pokes of this place. Yes. This is the Lewis and Clark Trail. See? See? That's, I'm guessing, Clark. And that's Lewis.
14.
Are they coming? Come on, hurry up! This is the trail that Lewis and Clark went on. See? I'm sorry if I'm acting rude, but
Nope, there's no more
I
split.
want to move on, you know? Careful, there's mud. There's a mud puddle. And you're not Peppa Pig, so don't jump in it. Are they coming? I'm not waiting for them. So if they get lost, it's their fault. Careful, there's mud. You should have packed your boots.
I know.
We're good though. Oh, now I know what it's like to be a settler. Or something even worse. CJ, how slow are Zachary, Mom, and Dad? They're like tortoises. You know what, let's just wait for them here.
Where?
Right here. In this little cut. Wow, it's beautiful out here, ain't it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna cut.